Kaibigan, minsan hindi kulang ang ginagawa natin. Hindi rin kulang ang dasal natin. Pero bakit parang walang nangyayari? Maybe it's not because nothing is coming. Maybe it's because may hawak ka pa rin na dapat mo nang bitawan. Let's be real. We all say we want a better life, a healthier relationship, peace of mind, a fresh start, a new version of ourselves. Pero minsan, habang inihingi natin yon, nakayakap pa rin tayo sa tapos na, sa taong umalis na, sa opportunity na hindi na bumalik, sa version ng sarili natin na hindi na para sa atin. And we keep saying, maybe babalik pa, maybe mag-workout pa, maybe pwede pang ayusin. Pero kaibigan, not everything that ended is meant to be reopened. Ito ang mahirap tanggapin. Minsan, hindi ka na pinipigilan ng buhay. Ikaw na lang ang ayaw bumitaw. You're not stuck because there's no way forward. You're stuck because you're still negotiating with the past. Still rereading old messages. Still replaying conversations. Still hoping for a different ending from a story that already closed. And that word, maybe, it feels hopeful. Pero totoo, maybe it can become a prison. Let me say something uncomfortable. Hindi lahat ng minahal mo dapat mong panghawakan habang buhay. And not everything that hurt you deserves permanent space in your heart. Because when you hold on too long, you don't just keep the memory, you block the future. So what does letting go really mean? Hindi sabihin wala nang halaga yung nangyari. It means hindi na siya ang nagdidikta ng susunod mong buhay. Letting go is not forgetting, it's not denying, it's not pretending. It's choosing to say, yes, nangyari yun. Yes, mahalaga yun. Pero hindi na yun ang magkocontrol sa akin. Maybe letting go for you means deleting the number, walking away without closure, forgiving without reconnecting, accepting that the dream needs a new form. And sometimes, letting go means admitting this is no longer for me. Kaibigan, what if the reason you feel stuck is not because life is unfair, but because your soul is ready to move on and your emotions are still holding on? What if the life you keep praying for is already trying to enter, but your hands are still full? Some blessings don't come when you push harder. They come when you finally release. More space, more honesty, more courage to accept what's over. Because the truth is, you cannot receive something new if you are still holding on to something finished. So today, kaibigan, I want you to ask yourself, ano ba talagang hawak ko pa na dapat ko nang bitawan? And if the answer hurts, that's okay. That means you're finally being honest. And honesty is where healing begins. Because the life you want, the peace you want, the love you want, the version of yourself you've been praying for is not far. It's just waiting for the moment you finally let go.